Welcome to our channel. Zions Bank payroll cards provide convenient access to your wages. Activating your card by phone is quick and allows you to start using your card immediately. Follow this guide for a smooth activation. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number on the sticker attached to your Zions Bank payroll card or in the welcome materials that came with it. Step 2. Gather your card information before calling. Have your full card number, the expiration date, and your personal identification details ready. Step 3. Call the Zions Bank payroll card activation number from a phone. Using the phone number registered with your account can help with identity verification. Step 4. Listen to the automated menu options and select the choice for card activation. This is usually one of the first options presented. Step 5. Enter your complete card number when prompted by the automated system. Use your phone's keypad to input each digit carefully. Step 6. Provide additional verification information as requested. This typically includes your date of birth and possibly the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 7. Follow the prompts to create a personal identification number for your card. Choose a secure 4-digit PIN that you'll remember, but others can't easily guess. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your Zions Bank payroll card is now active. The automated system will confirm that you can use your card immediately for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Keep your card and PIN secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.